Hello and welcome on my YouTube channel again, which is, I think it's our biggest small YouTube channel about Trabant in the world. And again, apologize for my English. I know it's not ideal, but I hope you understand me everything. Now we are in the garage repairing or fixing my Trabant. Look at this bolt. I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I'm going to clean or maybe at least for this time replace the whole carburetor, which is we are looking at, because now that's better. Because this is a 1970 model year. If you're watching my channel, you probably know it. All original, and I want to keep it original on as much as I can. So I need to replace these modern cables, which is from Skoda 120. So I made these cables new, and I'm going to make actually ignition cables, but it's going to be in the next video. This time I got a problem with carburetor, probably not with ignition but with carburetor, because it's like at some cases when the engine is warmed up, the engine is losing power, but eventually it can die. But I don't know what it could be, because ignition seems to be okay. Spark plugs, I'm going to change it anyway, and because spark plugs are crucial for good two-stroke engine, and that's my improvement, because it's choke turning on device made by me. Turning off, I mean off, sorry. And so I think the carburetor, I'm running this carburetor for some period of time. You can see it's just wet from the gasoline and oil, and I think it's leaking somewhere, or it can sucking air without fuel and stuff like this. And I'm gonna clean it, but in meantime I'm going to replace with another one correct time of period correct carburetor. So it's pretty simple. It's all you need to is disconnect this fuel line and take out these 13mm nuts. One is over there, one is over there. So let's go. All right, in this part of this video, you can see the new carburetor is barely fitted in. I need to tighten these two little nuts and this elbow which is like this. Again, apologize for my English because it's not ideal. So I'm gonna tighten everything up, connect the fuel, connect the choke line, also the throttle linkage, and I believe I am good to go. Okay folks, so as you can see, the carburetor is mounted, everything is tightened up. This is the fuel line which is connected, this is choke linkage, and this is throttle linkage. I manually turn it on the choke just to start it and trying if the engine's going to run, and you know, made a few settings, air fuel mixture and everything. So fuel valve is on reserve. Choke is turned on already. Neutral. And on the first try, holy smoke! What is leaking? I need gasket here. Turn it off the choke. Very good. It's running nicely. It needs just corrections. So turn off the ignition and just make a few changes and everything. So folks and dear viewers, everything is mounted, connected and finished. Now I need to make a couple of kilometers that I need engine warmed up, you know, and make some settings like idle and mixture over there where my finger is. That's the corrector, and you know, I think everything is set up, no leaks, because I replaced this gasket. And this is the main jet, like Hauptdüse. This is the I believe Startdüse. No, sorry, it's a Leerlaufdüse, like idling jet. And this is the and that's the you know, Startdüse, which means like choke jet. So thank you for watching my videos, my channel. Thank you for subscribing me. I really appreciate it. I hope you understand me everything I said, and I hope these videos are helpful for ya Trabi fans in America. So I'm looking forward to see you on another video.